If you are already here in Yellowstone National Park and do not mind a 6 to 8 hour drive, depending on which Yellowstone entrance you start from, about 390 to 450 miles total, do not miss Devil's Tower National Monument.
Welcome to Devil's Tower National Monument, one of the most mysterious landmarks in America. This was the very first national monument in U.S. history, protected in 1906 by President Theodore Roosevelt. But here is something many people do not know. For years, Native American tribes have argued that the name Devil's Tower was actually created by a translation mistake in the 1800s. Many tribes believe the original meaning was closer to Bear Lodge or Bear's Teepee, connected to sacred legends and spiritual traditions. Several attempts were made to officially change the name from Devil's Tower to Bear Lodge, especially in the 1990s and again later. Supporters said the current name disrespects Native American culture and sacred history, but the name was never changed. Why? Some local businesses, tourism groups, and residents argued that Devil's Tower was already world famous, especially after the movie Close Encounters of the Third Kind, and changing it could hurt tourism and confuse visitors. Today, the debate still continues. No matter what you call it, standing beneath this 867-foot volcanic giant feels unreal. And if you are planning a trip to Yellowstone National Park, this is one stop you absolutely should not miss. This is USA Travel Horizons, where every road has a story.